In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert steps in Sweatcoin. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over and open your Sweatcoin app. Now as you open, you will be redirected to Sweatcoin's homepage. Now as you can see right here, I have this balance. So how did I convert that? So let's tap on it. So we'll see I have the balance right here, and I also can spend sweat coins when I go to shop. So what you want to do is simply nothing on your phone. So just on your GPS in your settings. So make sure that your GPS or your location is turned on, and Sweatcoin will automatically detect the steps you are making for the day. So as you can see, I have this walking history right here, this graph. So I think Sweatcoin has this criteria to how many steps you need to make in order to be converted to a Sweatcoin. So what you want to do is simply walk as much as you can to have more Sweatcoin in your balance. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.